Alright, what's up guys? Stevie Barz here. We're back again in the basement. And let me just first start, I apologize for not uploading anything recently, but I did forget to film a lot of the stuff I did when I was making this. A lot of the little things in between. On top of that, like, of course, a lot more welding was done that I didn't show. And I'm just giving you guys this next clip. It shows you kind of like where I was in the middle. Again, I still did more welding even after the point of this video here, but this is just to show you that things are pretty much put together. And then after, I'm sanding. I forgot to film the painting as well, because I did paint. So I apologize for that. I forgot to film the painting. It's starting to take long, so I just wanted to get the whole thing done, and that way it would just be done. I could show you the finished product, because there's a lot of in-betweens I can't film. There's just too much stuff. But hopefully you guys can get an idea, and of course I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride so you could see what the hell was going on. But here's an update. Peace. So like and subscribe, guys. Definitely helps a lot. I put this video together for you guys so you could see a calisthenic workout station from scratch, manufactured, engineered by your boy, yours truly, Stevie Barz. We'll be right back.